So I'm over at Rob's garage again. I think today we're going to have a little chat of how not to look after a motorcycle. I think you're indicating there. So we've got a KTM
125.
a KTM 125 on the lift, and Rob's going to go through a few things he's found, and yeah, I think at the end of this he's going to give some details of a free course you can attend here to teach you to make sure this sort of thing doesn't happen. But right, Rob.
Right, KTM usually stands for keep taking money. This one's a little 125, 71 plate, not very old. Their boy ragged it around and he said that it stopped working, so brought it in, we checked it over. Yeah, doesn't turn over properly. So we've done some checks on it and we found that there's no oil, there's no coolant, and the valve is stuck down. So obviously over revved it without any maintenance, no maintenance to it at all. When you come in, you see a back tyre like that, you know there's something going on, considering that the front one's all right and the back one. So obviously likes to do burnouts, but how on earth can you ride a bike like that on the road and think, well, I had an accident and it's not your fault?
Looks like the centerpiece of a Sky Electric's car now.
That. Anyway, we've put a camera. We've got a little camera device here that we put down, like an endoscope that we put down inside the cylinder, and you can see that one of the valves is stuck open. So it's obviously seized up. No compression. The solenoid's gone. So the solenoid doesn't work. So that's one issue. But when you do bypass that, turning it over, no compression. So we check it, valve stuck down. So that's an engine out. New top end. Inspect the bottom end. Inspect what else has gone. At the end of the day, it could be a complete new engine for them, all because not being maintained and abused. We do courses here which are free courses for basic maintenance. We tend to say to people, if you've got a bike like this, if you come in to the cafe, if you come here, we will check the oil, we will check the chains, and we will check your tyre pressures as a safety. If you're a teenager, we do that all the time for people, and we do it for free. So we check it, we make sure it's got oil on it, we make sure the bike's safe. We do that in the car park, and we always do it for free.
So we've done a couple of these now. One thing we've never done is, where can they find you?
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
So you're on the...
If you travel from Plymouth to Liskeard, just outside Liskeard, it's right outside. It's just after the loo turn off on the main A38 road. Big checkered flag, flags outside, signs. You can see it's not down a country lane. We're not hiding anywhere. It's on the main A38 road, just outside Liskeard.
Yeah.
So it's. I know people sort of say you can't miss us when you're driving down here. We're on the side of the road, cafe, little showroom which sells spares, sells all things like that, and we've got a workshop. It's a workshop, and it's an engineering workshop. It's got lathes, mills, it's got welding facilities, it's got lots of other things that aren't just a mechanics. We just swap things over to make it go. We will make things. We've just had a customer come in, and I modified the side stand for her because she has no mobility in her left leg, so she can lift her leg up and down but she can't move it. So we put an automatic gear change on it and modified the side stand so that she can work. We can work with that, but it's working with people, and it's modifying things, making things a lot better.
So if you come Bodmin way down the A39, you'll see Chequered Flag on the right.
Yep.
You'll spot the bus.
Yep.
Is it clear now? Because we're clearing around that. And then you take the turning for loo.
That's it.
If you can U-turn. If not, just pull into the junction. There's a big turnaround, and then pop back on the road there.
That's right, yeah.
And back up.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. Yeah, so I met Christina as well with the Honda Rebel. There was 2 videos on the fitting of that Clicktronic, so I did a quick interview with her, so I'll add this on to the end of this.
Yeah.
So we'll get an update on this.
We get an update of what they want to do. Do they want to spend however much it's going to cost? They've taken the bike off the boy now, so he's now on the bus. But I think they want the engine fixed, so it's a question of either sourcing another engine or stripping the engine down. But I think they're going to have to get another tyre.
Yeah,
I think they've, but it's an expensive bike. It's not a cheap bike. It's a very good bike, but it's just been abused. There's things that come in and the exhaust is hanging off. There's no coolant in it, and there's no oil. So poor little thing doesn't stand a chance, really.
Yeah, so there may be, there will be an update on this, which will either be they don't want to spend the money, or they do. So we'll report back with the update in a week or 2, yep. I expect, and then see what happens with this. But yeah, here's the video of the Honda Rebel now. All right, just pop over to Chequered Flag, and the lady who had the Honda Rebel gear Clicktronic done is down here. So I'm taking the opportunity to have a quick chat with her to see what she thinks of it. And hi, Christina.
Hello, it's absolutely magical, fantastic, love it. Yeah, beautifully done and so easy to use.
So how long have you been off?
18 years.
18
Never
years.
thought I'd get back on the road again, and here I am. Yeah.
So you've been on it much since you had it done?
I took it out on little journeys first of all, just round the block, getting used to the up and down, finding neutral, which is awkward, and then further and further every day, and it's perfect. Yeah.
So it's enabled you to get back out on the road.
It has. I'm free again, bit of freedom again, something I never thought I'd do.
That's fantastic. Thank you for having a quick chat, and I'll do a little quick film of it down here.
Lovely.
Again.
Yeah,
right.
brilliant. Okay, thank you.
Cheers.